So there we are at the shop in the dunes. This is the back room, which is not accessible from the front at the moment. Now we go back, and here we are in the former laundry. You see all the plugs, the davy board. We go over in the other room. That was also the laundry. Now this room has access to a toilet. And now we go over to the former café. This was the kitchen. And here you see the desk. And a nice open room where there's a lot of space for a lot of opportunities, whatever you want to do. Two levels. And also a toilet. There's a French door which can be opened. There were some tables, just a few when it was a cafe. This is the entrance. And now a bit around the corner, you will see you go in to another room, which was storage, I guess. Walk-in closet. And then the last room, that's the utility room, the boiler. There you go. That's it.